Welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to reset your Acer laptop without knowing the password. So the first thing that you should actually do is to just totally power off your Acer laptop using the power button or using the power options on the down right on the lock screen. It actually looks like this. You can just hit on shutdown. After that, after you turn on your laptop again, you need to hold the Alt button plus F10 key when the screen is actually turning on. So what you should actually do is just hold the Alt button plus the F10 key as see from here. After that, this menu will appear. You need to choose Troubleshoot. After that, from this menu, you need to choose Reset this PC as see from here. Now you will have two options, but you should choose the Remove Everything button because you don't want to keep the settings that will include your passwords. So after that, you should actually use a Windows setup, USB drive, or a Windows disk that will actually install Windows 11 or 10 as you like. After that, you should actually go on with the process to install a new fresh copy of Windows. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.